Hello! In this video, we present the synthesis of diazepam labeled with carbon-14, following the retrosynthesis that was previously outlined in our last video. This isotopologue could prove to be valuable for conducting research into the pharmacology and the metabolism of this drug. This synthesis utilizes the amino acid glycine, which has been labeled with carbon-14. This compound functions as the source of this radioisotope. The amino acid, in turn, is then prepared from labeled carbon dioxide. In a parallel manner, the benzophenon precursor is prepared through the Friedel-Crafts reaction, utilizing raw materials that are also commercially available, as we will see later. Preparation of the glycine labeled with carbon-14. The nucleophilic addition to the labeled carbon dioxide by the methyl Grignard reagent leads to the formation of labeled acetate, which, upon subsequent treatment with hydrochloric acid and then with molecular bromine in the presence of phosphorus, generates bromoacetate 4. The nucleophilic substitution of bromine in compound 4 with ammonium hydroxide generates the labeled glycine. The amino group is protected with benzoyl chloroformate to obtain carbamate 6, preparation of methylaminobenzophenone. The Friedel-Crafts acylation of chloroaniline 7, when reacted with benzoyl chloride in the presence of antimony trichloride as a catalyst, produces benzophenone 9. The methylation of aniline nitrogen in 9 is carried out under flow chemistry conditions, which allow for the use of high temperatures. When it reacts with dimethyl carbonate, first, it forms carbamate 11. Within the reaction medium, compound 11 reacts with an additional molecule of dimethyl carbonate to form the methylated compound 12. Finally, the in situ thermal decarboxylation of compound 12 leads to the formation of methylaminobenzophenone 13. Final steps in the synthesis of labeled diazepam. The protected glycine labeled 6 is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride to prepare acyl chloride 14 and reacts in situ with compound 13 to produce benzophenone 15. The deprotection of the amino group in compound 15, achieved through hydrolysis followed by basic treatment, induces the intramolecular addition of the amino group to the ketone, which then gives rise to the cyclization step, thereby completing the synthesis of labeled diazepam. In summary, here are the main raw materials and their structural contribution. Thank you for your attention.